Imagine a government promising lower household costs, better healthcare, stronger schools, financial support for families, improved opportunities for young people, and a more transparent administration. It sounds like the kind of future millions hope for. But every promise comes with a question: who pays and how? Today, we explore not personalities but policies and whether ambitious promises can become sustainable reality. Every election is ultimately a debate about the future. In Tamil Nadu, voters have long expected governments to combine economic growth with social welfare. As a new political force emerged under Vijay, attention quickly shifted from cinema to governance. Supporters saw a chance for change. Critics wanted to know whether the promises were practical. This documentary is not about deciding who is right. It is about understanding the choices any government will have to make to turn promises into results. Governments operate with limited resources. Every new scheme competes with existing priorities like roads, hospitals, schools, policing, and infrastructure. That means good governance is not only about making promises, it is about making difficult decisions. Throughout history, successful administrations have balanced compassion with fiscal responsibility. That balance is the real challenge facing any leader. Many proposals focus on improving daily life, affordable essential services, stronger healthcare, better education, support for women, opportunities for farmers, investment in technology, and job creation. Each proposal is designed to solve a real problem. Better healthcare can reduce financial hardship. Better education improves long term productivity. Infrastructure attracts investment. Welfare can protect vulnerable families during difficult times. But each program also carries a cost that must be planned carefully. Where does government money come from? Primarily through taxes, fees, transfers from the central government, and returns from public enterprises. That money is then divided among salaries, pensions, infrastructure, healthcare, education, debt servicing, and welfare. Introducing large new programs usually requires higher revenue, spending cuts elsewhere, borrowing, or faster economic growth. Economists therefore evaluate both costs and long term benefits. Some investments eventually generate higher productivity and tax revenues, while others may place pressure on budgets if growth does not keep pace. Supporters argue that efficient governance, reduced leakages, improved tax compliance, and economic expansion can create the fiscal space needed to fund ambitious reforms. Critics caution that implementation is often more difficult than announcement and that states must avoid overextending public finances. Both viewpoints raise legitimate questions. Ultimately, success depends less on the promise itself and more on execution, transparency, and measurable outcomes. Politics often begins with speeches, but history remembers results. The true measure of any administration is whether people experience better schools, accessible healthcare, quality jobs, reliable infrastructure, and responsible financial management. Whether these proposals become a model for governance or remain ambitious aspirations will depend on careful implementation over the years ahead. As citizens, the most important question is not which promise sounds best, but which policies create lasting improvements. What do you think should come first? Faster economic growth, expanded welfare, or a balanced combination of both? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Statecraft Stories for more documentaries that explain policy beyond the headlines.